Hello everyone, welcome to Neon channel. It is 7th of April today, and today's topic is getting up early. So at first, I'll introduce you to today's useful phrases. So I prepare for you new phrases like wow, incredible, I can't believe it, so surprising, that sounds great, no way. So it is also emotional phrases, and that is used when someone say someone's idea is surprised. It is so useful for the beginner of English speaker, as an English speaker, because if you use those phrases, you can join the conversation. If you can't read or understand what they say in English, but in the conversation, if you use that phrases, and if you say, oh, surprising, oh, wow, that's great, so like that, people will believe, you will understand, you can hear English, you can listen English. So it is important to be accustomed for response someone's saying. So let's move on to today's topic. The getting up early. It is so hard for me because sleeping is more important than getting up early. But of course, I notice the benefit of it. It makes me a good rhythm. Sleep early at night and get up early in morning. It's a great cycle, and someone says, if you study or read a book, you must do it in morning, because your brain is good situation situation, good state. Someone's research says it, and I feel it. I agree that idea, that saying. So if I want to watch YouTube or watch animation or play some musical instrument, I must not avoid to stay up late. So there is a good word like that. The early bird catches the worm. It is correct. Thank you.